Hello everyone, this is Devayan, and in this video I'll talk about digital marketing strategies for new businesses. If you have started your business or are planning to start one and are wondering how to start your digital marketing activities, this video is for you. I guess if you have started your business, you already have your website up and running. I have made another video wherein I talk about evergreen digital marketing strategies that every business needs to focus on. If you haven't seen this video, do check out the link from the description. Do give that video a watch and ensure that you have a blog page, an email list, you have all the social media pages up and running. In this video, I will talk about how you can start your digital marketing activities. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. First thing you need to do is to be able to find your target audience. To reach out to your target audience, you need to identify your competitors and the people who follow their pages. Reach out to them by sending them connection requests and messaging them personally. Don't overdo it, else you will come out to be spammy, and that is the last thing you want as a business. Try to analyze the kind of content your competitors are posting and the kind that is well received by their audience. Try to create your own content on similar lines on your pages. After you have a decent number of initial followers, you can then go for paid promotion to extend your reach to an even wider audience. When you are going for paid promotion, remember to have the demographics of your target audience well established in your minds. That will help you and the social media platforms to find the exact audience for you. How can you reach your target market without any paid promotion? We will know at the end of this video. The second thing you need to do is post consistently. This goes without saying that any social media would like those pages that have regular updates and have higher engagement. Now, to increase your engagement, you need to post regularly. The more you post, the more you can be in the minds of your target audience, in the minds of your followers. So posting regularly should be a key agenda in your marketing strategies. Now, everyone will tell you to post regularly, but there are a few advisors who would actually tell you to have a content marketing plan ready beforehand. You need to have a content plan for the next 2 months in the pipeline, and you need to keep adding to it as the time passes. You need to have a proper content schedule and post during those times as per your schedule. This will help you post your content and be present in a disciplined way so that you, your social media team, your employees and your target audience are in sync. They know when to post and your audience will know when you will post, so that they will be ready to receive content from you. Having a social media plan and a social media schedule should be the second thing you need to focus on. While you post, remember to use all the features of the platform. You need to post on the feed, on the stories, you need to post images, short videos, long videos, written content, everything. You need to post written content for every video, every image that you post. Now, why do you need written content for a photo based social media platform like Instagram? I will address this question at the end of this video. So stay tuned if you want to know the answers. The third thing you need to do is have your employees as brand ambassadors. Your employees who work for you can be your brand ambassador. They will post about your company and share stories on their personal profile. They will help you and your brand to have a broader awareness. Now, to use your employees, you need to be judgmental in whom you want to use and whom you don't. Someone with a vast social media following may be beneficial for your brand, while someone who posts sparingly, who uses social media sparingly, may not help your cause. Also, you can give out goodies and gifts to your employees. They will be posting a thank you post on their social media handles. In this way, you will be able to generate your employee generated content or user generated content. This will give your employees a social proof and they will be motivated to post on social media from their handles. Remember, your employees must be happy and satisfied with your company. Only then they will be willing to post. You need to empower them before you ask them for their personal space. I was a part of 2 organizations and I had 2 completely different reactions when their social media team came to me asking to share about company social media posts on my personal handles. So remember, your employees need to be happy and empowered before you can ask them to post on your behalf. Unsatisfied employees will not help you. The fourth thing you can do is have a pop-up email collector on your website. When you redirect or bring traffic from your social media post and social media marketing to your website, the people will navigate through your website, understand your products and offerings, and they may or may not convert. They may or may not purchase your products on the first visit itself. Now, how do you bring them to your website the second time, the third time? The only way you can do this is by collecting their email IDs, and the best way and the most ethical way to collect their email IDs is by using pop-up notification. Pop-up notifications appear while the users are going through your website content. These pop-ups appear during the scroll time, asking users to subscribe to their newsletters, or are simply asking their email IDs for future offers. All you need to do to get a pop-up notification is go to a website that have these pop-up notification source code, and you need to copy and paste it in your HTML. The fifth thing you need to do as a part of your social media strategy is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the best way to reach out to a wider audience organically. You can do a good keyword analysis and incorporate the same in your written content, so that when the search engines crawl and index websites, they have your website on their list. This is the reason you need to have written content. You need to have alt text for your videos and images. If you want to know more about SEO, crawling, indexing, and other related terms, I have made a separate video. Click on the link to watch more. See you in that video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.